What's happening behind these walls explains why AI is not slowing down. It's accelerating. Every new facility and expansion means more compute, more GPUs, more capacity for AI models to get faster, cheaper, and smarter. AI tools aren't a trend. They're becoming infrastructure. And when infrastructure scales like this, it changes everything.
So I'm not going to waste any of your time. I'm just going to jump right into these three, and I want to just walk you through each of them step by step. But I do want to answer a quick question I think you're about to have, which will put you at ease. And that is that I don't have some outdated course or some high ticket coaching program to sell you. Promise I'm not going to do that. So please put your credit cards away. I also want to let you know that I've dedicated my life to learning and selling AI. I've won a ton of awards with my AI agency, which you're seeing on screen right now. And I've just done a lot in this space. I also have a ton of friends high up in the AI space and in Washington, D.C. that know all about AI that tell me a lot of this stuff. So I do think I have a pretty good grasp of what's coming next with AI because I have a lot of data in my corner. Now, that said, no one can predict anything. I don't know the future, and really nothing is guaranteed, and nothing in this video is a guarantee either. So again, this is data that I'm looking at that I see happening, but these are what I'm doing personally to protect myself in 2026 and beyond so my online business can crush. So the first thing you're going to need to do, and this is really the first step in making your online business AI proof, is to understand that prospecting is greater than tech. This is so important. Okay, so let me break this down so you understand exactly what I'm talking about. So prospecting looks different for every online business. An e-commerce store needs more traffic. An AI or SaaS agency needs more leads. A coaching business needs more clients, et cetera, et cetera. At its core, prospecting is simply the flow of leads and customers into your business. And in 2026, AI makes this more important than ever because of the restrictions on AI outreach. Generating demand and doing all this stuff is going to be the thing that's going to be where you shine because tech will always get better without you, which is exactly what I'm about to tell you right here. Prospecting matters more than just getting new clients. As AI continues to evolve and face more restrictions, creating demand has become the critical skill. Today, almost anyone can access powerful tools like Go High Level, N8N, and other AI platforms. The real advantage isn't the technology, it's knowing how to sell it. That's where prospecting comes in. It's the biggest piece of the puzzle and the main driver of real scalable business growth. I could talk for hours on this. This is so important. Understanding how to create demand is going to be the thing that takes you to the next level, okay? Because anyone can just grab their credit card and get one of these softwares and learn it. Okay? Anyone, even a business owner. But learning how to simplify and give it to business owners or your ideal client avatar is what's going to take you to the next level because AI can't do that itself. AI can teach people, can do all this stuff, but it can't sell itself. Why? Because there's been a ton of restrictions. Check this out. So this is just one article of many that are out there. So this is the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission's legit website. They made AI-generated voice, robocalls, cold calls illegal. Now you can use AI voice to call people, but they have to be opted in, and there's a whole strict procedure around it. And they're doing this across the board with cold outreach, okay, and bringing in the demand because otherwise it would be very bad. So a lot of people are like, this is bad. I wish I could AI cold call. You know how annoying it would be to be getting 2,000 cold calls a day from people trying to sell you shit? Horrible. So these are good things they're doing. But the fact is the bottleneck, the part that's being kind of stopped is not the tech. It's the outreach. And this is where you have to think. You have to see between the lines and go, that's the thing that's going to move my business. That's what's going to generate the growth. Okay, a lot of people are like, I just learned N8N, yay, or I just got good at Go High Level. Like, that's cool and all, but anyone can do that. Not everyone can create demand. So prospecting is greater than tech, and there's so many other things they're doing. They're cracking down on the AI outreach. Not AI itself, but the AI outreach. Again, these are good things. We do not want everyone doing cold calls, sending a gazillion text messages and messaging you and doing all this stuff. We don't want that. That is terrible. So again, the hard part, and this is where you have to look, is that outreach is the part that's getting cramped, not AI tech. So prospecting is greater than tech. So I basically told you what this is. Now I want to show you how to do this because this is really, really important for your online business. So I'm going to show you in 2 simple steps. So the first step you need to do for your online business, whether you're an AI agency, e-commerce, or whatever you are, is this. You need to dial in one prospecting method. Now you can try a bunch, but find one thing that clicks with you, okay? If you're, an e-commerce person and running ads is helping you, get that dialed in, okay? Like focus on that. If you're a SaaS agency and going to networking events is how you get your leads, do that. Or you're an AI agency and cold calling works, whatever it is, dial that one part in for whatever online business you have. Find the one thing that has worked in the past, okay, and get it dialed in. Okay, once you have that one thing, you're like, okay, this prospecting method has helped me a lot, whether it's email marketing, whatever. Find it. Your next step, once you have that, is to 10x it. Simple as that. Put all your eggs in that basket and juice the living hell out of it. Please, this is key. Whatever that is, if it's making YouTube videos, if it's DMing people, find a way to do 10 times it. So example, if you are DMing leads as a coach, find a way to get other people to start DMing too. Or every day you do that much more DMing. This is what you want. You want to maximize your outreach. But you want to not just do a little bit, you want to do a lot. If that's running ads, increase the budget, create more creatives, do more stuff like that. If it's videos, pump out more videos. You want to 10x this. This is going to be your unfair advantage. I'm telling you, this right here, very simple, hard to do. So a lot of you will look at this and be like, well, this is obvious. Tell me something I don't know. And I'll respond to, why aren't you doing it? That's the key. This isn't about knowing shit. It's about doing shit. And this will help you win. I promise, if you do it right. So find that prospecting method and juice the living hell out of it. 10x it. Whatever it is, go in and do way more of it. And I also want to let you know that if you have any questions on this, drop them down below in the comments and I will answer personally. The reason being is that I want to have a discussion on this so we can both help each other out. That's why I like when people comment, because it also helps me refine my videos, make them better, but I also can answer your questions. Because oftentimes, it's a little question where if you get answered right, it goes a long way in your development. Okay, so that was number one. Prospecting is greater than tech. Please understand that. But that now brings us to number two, which is full utilization of AI. This is huge because now a lot of people, now they get the prospecting part, but then there's the other step where they're actually barely using AI and they're doing it all the old-fashioned way. You have to adapt and start using AI. So this is on the Forbes website and it says the future is solo. AI is creating billion-dollar one-person companies. Forbes is not the only person to say this. Sam Altman has said this. I think Bill Gates has said. So many people are saying this. All the big tech people are saying this. They're saying that if you use AI properly, you can basically create billion-dollar companies with one person. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen to you. Okay, that's not the guarantee I'm making. But even $1 million company or six-figure company is very possible with one person. Whereas before you needed teams to do customer support, sales, inventory, all this stuff. With AI, I'm telling you right now, you will have the ability to almost do this entirely solo. But you have to be using the right tools. And so many people, okay, they're neglecting actually using AI. They're like, yeah, I use AI. You know, I use ChatGPT. Like, no, that's not good enough. You need to be fully utilizing AI. Customer support, sales, everything dialed in. That is why I love AI softwares like Go High Level. They are the best. And I'll tell you why. Because a lot of people are like, what about N8N? What about all this other stuff? Like, it's cool and all, but it's not the all-in-one solution. You have to duct tape stuff together and your costs go up. With High Level, you have a CRM, AI features, and marketing all built into one. No one else really has that. That is why High Level is so stinking powerful, and it can get you so far. And it's also the most affordable for everything you're getting. Also, too, no one has AI like they have. I mean, they have legit AI everywhere. You can just install AI voice agents on websites like this. Like, check this out.
Hello, you've reached Evercrest Realty. This is Rebecca. How can I help you today?
Hey, Rebecca, how you doing? I'm trying to book an appointment ASAP.
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Let's get that appointment booked.
So boom, you can immediately make websites talk. You can answer phones 24/7, customer support, sales, answer text messages, like whatever you want. High Level has it. And again, you have to be using the right tools. Use this and the all-in-one stuff because this is what's going to get you a lot further and it's going to have everything a business needs. But what I want to also extend you, because you might look at this and be like, well, this is cool, but I don't feel like paying, a bunch of money for this without it actually making me money. I have a 30-day extended free trial down below. That way you can try this risk-free. Not a 14-day, but I talk to the team to get you 30 days. That way you can try this and see if you like it. I think you will because it's amazing, but these are the kind of tools you need. And that 30-day free trial is right down below. When you use it, again, you can see if it works for you. And the cool thing too is when you sign up with that 30-day free trial, I'm going to give you access to my private community for free, all of my trainings, all of my snapshots, all my systems, how to get clients, walk you through this whole process, everything we talked about earlier, and 7 live coaching calls per week, even with me, where you can talk to me and you can message me whenever you want. And guys, these are real agency owners. And again, this will help on making your business AI proof because it's going to be all the support and the right community you need. And the cool part is, guys, it's all free when you sign up with the link down below. Again, like I said before, my promise was to not sell you some expensive coaching or some mastermind. I want to give it to you for free. So again, Learning these tools like this, very important. And here's the cool part. You don't have to do Go High Level. You can do whatever you want. If you're like, oh, this guy in a robe is an idiot, fine. That's totally okay. But just make sure you're using something all in one because it will help you. And I'm telling you right now, High Level is the best. So again, check that out. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Full transparency, I'll answer. All right, so now that you understand two, which is full utilization of AI and properly picking, again, guys, whatever you use, just start learning and actually using it, not just ChatGPT. But once you have these two, it brings us on to the last one, which is something you're not going to expect, which is really powerful that the vast majority of you guys are neglecting, and that is leveraging in person. This is so big, and I see so few people doing this, but this is something in the dawn of AI, it's only going to get more powerful. So as AI continues to rise, people trust what they see online less and less. I mean, you see videos all the time. Is this AI? Is this AI? It's everywhere. While in-person connections have become more powerful and meaningful, one of the most interesting things about AI is that it's actually bringing people closer together, which is really cool. That's why it's important to use physical, in-person interactions whenever possible. These real-world connections combined with strong community will be key in the future. This is so big. Like I could not stress this enough. In-person will only get bigger. It will. And it's only going to be easier. And that's why with a couple different strategies, you can rock it. So for example, just to give you some stuff to kind of get the creative juices going, sending direct mail, like physical mail to people. Great way to market because guess what? No one's doing mail anymore. They're not. Very few. So when people see it, especially if it's done right, they're like, damn. I just got mail. Like you can't send an AI mail. Like it just doesn't work. So like this is the kind of thing I'm talking about where you're taking a step the other direction because it actually is really powerful because people are kind of opting away from AI. Also too, if you're an AI agency or a SaaS agency, networking, anything like that, really powerful. A lot of people neglect this, like really powerful. Online communities, that's another big one where you're on Zoom talking to people, like the physical, real, the ability to talk to people that are real, very important. But also events, expos, masterminds. This is really important. This is going to take you really, really far. For example, this year I went to the Go High Level Summit, which was in Dallas and had a ton of people. I mean, you can see right here, if we go to award winners, I'm in a bunch of these. There I am, woo! But the whole point is like this was a huge event with thousands of people. I mean, you can come in and you can see, let's do this, like legit groups of people, legit people talking. I mean, you can meet people, talk to them. I mean, it was awesome. But it was like an in-person thing. You could sell people, you could talk to people. Super powerful. And you don't have to go to this. You can go to anything. There's tons of them everywhere. Whatever expo. But the fact is it was so much easier to talk to people that you could never talk to by just messaging them because they were way too big. You see people on YouTube, you're like, oh, I like that person. You DM them, you comment, you're never going to get a hold of them. But in person, you can just, hey, walk up to them. Hey, how you doing, Jim? Super simple. But like, this is the kind of stuff I'm talking about. He gives you the ability to do that. And in person is only going to get bigger because, well, guess what? AI is kind of like pushing people the other direction. So super important that you understand that. So these are the 3 ways to help your business become AI proof. And again, guys, if you have any questions, drop them down below. I will answer personally. So quick recap. Number 1, prospecting is greater than tech. Utilize prospecting. You should be putting 80 to 90% of your effort into prospecting. It's what's going to move the ball, not just watching tutorials and learning more about Go High Level and N8N. That's not going to make you richer. This is more important. Number 2, full utilization of AI. Don't just use ChatGPT. Use tools like High Level and other all-in-one solutions where you're actually using AI to save time and get more out of your business. So important. Whatever it is, even if you don't want to use Go High Level, I don't care. Just use AI. Find a way for it to save you more time. And don't have it just be ChatGPT because that's only going to help you with the basic stuff. And number 3, leverage the in-person. There is really, really big gold in this. And I'm telling you, it's only going to get big. It's what I'm doing. A lot of people don't understand. I am leveraging this. Meetups, walk-ins, okay? Direct mail, talking to people, networking. Like these are things that will help you land clients, and they're big. They're really big. And guys, there's a lot of the older folks that will be against AI. And guess what? The way to get a hold of them will be in person. So again, these 3, make sure you utilize them. I think these could change everything for you. But if you don't do any of these, AI is most likely going to just sweep your business under the rug and you will probably be unemployed. I'm sorry, but that's what's going to happen if you do not evolve because we are entering the next phase of online businesses, which is AI domination. So either get with the program or go get a job at McDonald's. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If any questions, drop them down below. If you're interested in high level, check out the 30-day free trial link. I think you're really going to like it. Again, go down below, click the link. If you don't believe me, you'll see the testimonials. I do this because I want to actually show you that I'm legit. I'm not just some random guy. Like, I've won a lot of awards, even this big one that I just got. You click the link. I've actually helped people. I'm just trying to show you that I'm legit. That's why I also recommend you guys to drop a comment down below so I can answer and we can have a conversation one-on-one. But other than that, that's it. I'm going to be linking a video at the end of this video that's going to go over everything in this video more in depth and how you can get access to all those free resources. Again, not selling you anything, which is pretty cool because it's going to show you more in depth how to make your online business foolproof in those 3 steps. It's also going to show you some testimonials and things that we're doing. So please check that out because I think you're really going to like it. So again, thank you for watching and watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.